Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a haul. I think it's like 90% makeup, I think. So I took a little break off of YouTube just because I was super busy with work and then I went out of town. So this is when I did some of my shopping, and then when I came home to like 3 of my packages in the mail. So I opened those and I really wanted to share with you guys what I got. Also, I do have a collective clothing haul coming soon. I was looking back at my videos and I haven't done a clothing haul in forever. I don't buy clothes that often anymore. So stay tuned for that clothing haul. But for today's video, let's go ahead and get this makeup haul started. So one of my first boxes that I got in, okay, so this one is actually a collab that I'm going to be doing with Boho Queen jewelry. So I am not going to show you guys that. Oh, I should probably do that soon. Ugh. Follow my Instagram, I will put it down below, and stay tuned for that picture. Anyways, for my Sephora order, so my first thing I got from Sephora was the Ole Henriksen Balance Force Oil Control Toner. I decided to purchase this because Desi was talking about this. She hyped it so much that I was like, I too need that product. Every time I went on Sephora, it was always sold out. So I'm so excited to go ahead and start using this. I want to go ahead and finish my other toner first before I start this one, and got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I bought this years ago and I just never repurchased it, but it's always such like a love-hate foundation for me. Like, it looks so bomb on, but I feel like I get kind of oily quick. But now I have so many like tips and tricks that work for my oily skin, so I went ahead and repurchased this in the color that actually matches my skin, because I don't trust Sephora people anymore because they always swatch me so damn dark. I took a chance and picked a color off of the website, which is probably a better job than Sephora people out there. Sorry if you are a Sephora employee, but the lighting is crap in Sephora. I just don't get it. Like, how the hell are you supposed to swatch anyone correctly when your store's light is so dim, you know? And they swatch you like underneath your chin, and I'm like, okay, that's shadow. Of course it's gonna be darker there. Anyways, so the deal was, it was Chinese New Year, which it was Year of the Dog, which I am also Year of the Dog. Just a little fact about me. So if you spent over, I think it's like 80 bucks, you got this deluxe box. So it's just like this really pretty red silky box that says Sephora, and it comes with like a shit ton of deluxe samples. I think it's worth like 120 bucks. So you got, I'm not gonna go through all of this, but you get like a YSL mascara, you get like hair oil, you get the, oh gosh, Way Hair Care, O-U-A-I, how the hell do you pronounce that? You get like a little tattoo liner, you get some like Sunday Riley stuff, like really expensive things. So I'm so excited to go ahead and test out some of these products. I love getting the deluxe samples because it just sucks when you buy a full product and you decide you hate it. So samples all the way. And then I got my BoxyCharm in the mail. I honestly wasn't that psyched for this month's box. I think this was February's box. It took forever to get to me, but it just came with some brushes, like a palette that's like that like galaxy unicorn thing right now, where it's like, when am I ever gonna highlight with a green highlighter, you know? They really went off that type of theme this month, which I'm not really a big fan of, but I did get this Cover FX Shimmer Veil. This is actually the first time I'm opening it. Ooh, so I think you can use this on like your eyes, as a highlighter, as a lip topper. Like, it's just like a holographic like pinky purple, which I don't use a lot of those colors. So this month was kind of like a bust for me. Next, I put in an order to The Ordinary. So Ordinary is a new skincare brand that is now sold at Sephora, but it's always sold out. I actually was told from a friend to order off of their direct website, and I got it so fast. I was so excited to go ahead and try some of this Ordinary skincare because it's so inexpensive for one thing, and it's like the purest stuff. It doesn't have a bunch of fillers in their products. So like their oils, their acids, like everything is so concentrated, I guess I should say. So I got 4 products from them and the total came up to like $35. Like, what the heck? So if you guys are new to my channel, I have oily, acne prone skin, I would say my skin type is. So I got the salicylic acid 2%. This is for blemish prone skin. Then I got the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, and this is a hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. So this actually helps with the hydration in your skin. Actually, a lot of my texture on my face is actually from a dehydrated skin. Then I got the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. This is a high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. So I think this is supposed to help with scars, I think. I can't remember. And then I got the Gram Active Retinoid 2% emulsion. Can't remember what this one is for. So if you go on the website, it actually gives you a regimen and it actually separates oily skin, normal skin, aged skin, acne prone skin, and it actually suggests what type of skincare products they recommend for you. It really made buying their products super easy, so I'm so excited to try this because I've been struggling with my skin forever and it's been taking me forever to find products that work and that work long term. Next, I put in a Amazon order and they gave me this giant box for a stupid camera battery. Come on, Amazon. So this is an extra camera battery for my vlog camera. So I got an extra one because I have 2 for my DSLR camera and it's so handy when I run out of batteries, I just quickly switch it and then it doesn't hinder any of my filming process. Whereas when I'm vlogging and it dies, I literally just have to sit there and wait for my battery to charge. So I thought a battery was worth it. When I was in Lethbridge, I went to HomeSense and Winners way too often. So first thing I got, ooh, I should probably, this is a sneak peek, but I'm just gonna include that in my clothing haul. I'm just gonna show you guys this. This isn't makeup, but neither is a battery, you know. This is like a spoon holder for the kitchen. It's so cute. It's like this honeycomb type pattern. You probably can't even tell, but you know, I thought it'd look cute for the kitchen. This product I just picked up randomly at Shoppers. Everywhere where I live, whenever I look at Burt's Bees stuff, they never have the makeup, but they have all like the lip chap and whatever. When I was there, they had like the foundation, they had the blushes and everything. I got the Burt's Bee blush in Toasted Cinnamon. This has been so hyped. And it honestly looks like a bronzer, but I'm wearing this on my cheeks today and it's such a natural blush. It makes your cheeks look flushed, but like bronzed at the same time. Oh, I think this is gonna be a perfect go-to everyday blush, but the only thing, this thing was like 15 bucks. Like, what the fudge? What the fudge? For a blush? What the heck? Come on. So at Winners, oh my gosh, they had so much high-end stuff there. So I got the Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation in medium and it smells so good and it makes your skin look so soft and filtered, and I got that for $12.99. So heck yeah, Winners, for having high-end makeup. This is just such a stupid purchase in my opinion, but I bought it. So this is Evian facial spray. It's pretty much, it's just water in here and it just has such a nice mist. But I was thinking, since I love the Smashbox primer water so much, I talk about it, you know, it's like beating like a, wait, what's that saying? Beating a dead horse? Anyways, I talk about it too often. That product is quite expensive, 40 some bucks, I think. So I was thinking, with this water, you know, will that help set some of that like cakiness and powderiness? I'm gonna try this instead of the facial spray, because if this works, then that's gonna save a lot of people a lot of money. And then I got these lashes. They're just, I don't even know, Pro Beauty Essentials Glam Wispies in black. They have the band like the Kiss lashes, so they look like they're gonna be so comfortable and they are so long and wispy. Oh, I can't wait. And these were 10 bucks for 5 lashes. I've been wanting this forever because someone brought one of these to work and it's like the best. What the heck? Hair getting in my Marc Jacobs lip gloss. Someone brought one of these to work and oh my god, it's like the best hand cream I've ever used in my life. This is the opioid. Oh my. This is the OPI Avo Juice in Jasmine. I didn't really think I was gonna like jasmine, but it actually smelled pretty good. And what I really like about this hand cream is that it doesn't leave you with oily hands. It absorbs right away. So this one was like $5.99. And last thing I got, so this is the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly Palette. And this I got for $16.99. I obviously did a little scrub on all of the shadows because you just never know with when there's like people touching shit and stuff like that. Germs are everywhere. Oh, it's just such a cute little palette. And like some of the bright purples, I don't know if I will use as much, but I just thought this was just a wicked deal finding high-end makeup in Winners. Like 16, but like how much is it normally? Like 40 something? I don't know. The fact that I found this in Marshall's, like, so that is everything in my makeup haul. Like I told you, it was like 90% makeup, the other percent camera battery and kitchen decor. So thanks again for watching. If you liked it, make sure you give a big thumbs up. Comment down below. I love responding back to your guys' comments. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. The big red button is down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! It is a blizzard out there. Oh, it's like that meme where it's just like, when will my husband return from war? But oh my god, it is snowing way too much. I should probably shovel, but that'll be a no for me, dog.